Saturday, November 11th, 2023, North Branch Trail, Mount Rainier, Hyattsville, Brentwood, Washington, D.C., all intersecting this trail. Gia, what'd you think of today's run? What'd you think? Did we give it our all? Gia, did you give it your all? Okay. I believe you. I believe you. Yeah, you did. Nature, the best therapy, along with running. Gratitude. Cultivate a heart of gratitude. Verbalize your gratitude. I'm thankful for lungs. I'm thankful for legs that can move. I'm even thankful for this inhaler to help my lungs in my pocket. I'm out.